Hey there, I am Rafał and welcome back to the channel. Today my motorcycle has spent a full day at KTM dealership here in Warsaw, and here are the news. So first of all, my ambient temperature is back. My RPM gauge is set to 9,000 RPM, and I also have my odometer fixed, so it shows the real full mileage now. And guess what? Crash bars have been delivered yesterday, and I finally have those installed. As you can see, by the way, I have some stuff from 3D Moto. Here it's a carbon cover for the engine, the brake pedal, and the hook for the luggage is also from 3D Moto. On the other side, you also have the heat shield on the exhaust pipe, also from 3D Moto, and another cover for the engine. So what my dealer told me today is that the bike was connected through the diagnostic tool, and some team from Austria was working on it to fix all of the issues. So I want to say thank you to the Austrian team. I think it must have been this team. All right, so thank you for that. And I also want to say thanks to my local dealer here in Warsaw, because you guys had a lot of patience with everything I was coming back with. The only thing left for us to fix is the documentation, because this bike is still registered just for one person and we need to fix it, and we are working on that. So there is some progress. Good news to share. From what I learned, because of this bike was connected today directly to the Austrian headquarters, the next bikes that will be receiving the 7.5 update should already have everything as it should be. So the ambient temperature will be there, RPM redline set to 9,000 RPM, and so on and so on. So good progress. Thank you for that. See you around. See you next time. Cheers.